Okay. Okay, so now we'll get started. So today we've arrived at the path of the being of great capacity, or the great scope. And so the great scope is very much dependent or based on the practices of the medium scope, which is what we've been talking about in the last couple classes. And that is, of course, we're talking about the Four Noble Truths. We're talking about the liberation and generating this desire for liberation through meditating on suffering and understanding that the self-grasping, or this concept of self, this afflicted concept of self, is what creates the suffering, what traps us in samsara, and that there is this method to free us from samsara by getting rid of this afflictive self-grasping. And so I'll read the first verse here. That is, just as I have fallen into the sea of samsara, so have all mother migratory beings. Please bless me to see this and train in the supreme bodhicitta and bear the responsibility of freeing migratory beings. I'm sorry, I think Geshe just read the first two lines. And so in the middle scope, we're really concentrating on our own suffering, and we're really realizing the reality of our own suffering. But in the great scope, we realize that it's not just me that's suffering, that all sentient beings are suffering. And so that we're not alone, that all sentient beings are suffering. And so in the second lines there, what we're talking about, please bless me to see this and train in the supreme bodhicitta and bear the responsibility for freeing migratory beings, is realizing that all sentient beings are suffering. We want to train into the path that will allow us to help free them, and that path is the training in bodhicitta, which is what will allow us to help free all sentient beings from suffering. So again, also in the great scope, the realizations of the small scope are also vital, right? Without this understanding of renunciation, or this conviction to arise from samsara, there's really no way for us to help others. So it's really important for us to first, train these practices of the small scope, where we realize the suffering of our existence, we generate fear and samsara, and then it's on the basis of that, of our own experience of this, that we're able to help others. Just as in, for example, if one was ill, you would need to treat yourself and understand how to treat yourself before you were able to actually treat and help others. So it's really important also to realize that we need to continue to work on these realizations of the small scope, this fear, this fear of samsara, fear of the suffering of samsara is the foundation for bodhicitta.
What any songs up so go and the near your pattern, Kanga your Bajachinity, now just seems Jambali or Kanga Yori, need Tip Jory Chet, the Tan is something is Judge of Kasim Gombian. Narokan in all the shoots, etc. Then Tardo Shujiora, then I just Jamba, that's why I can announce the Tardo Yores, that daily Tarvichet, need Judge of Kasim Gombian, Yami Cherries, and Miss Avloting when he
And so when you think about this, you think, okay, I want to get out of samsara. I want to be free from this suffering. And just like me, other beings also want to get out, want to be free of suffering. And so you want to help them be free of suffering. So with this kind of motivation, you practice this motivation. The okay, and so with that motivation, you practice bodhicitta. And so what is the practice of motivation? Well, there's two methods to practice motivation. There's exchanging self. So there's exchanging self and others, and there is the 7-part cause and effect instruction. These are the two ways that we talk about practicing bodhicitta.
Semchan Tamchala Nijin Robore, Semchan Tamchala Nijin Robi Tablam Mashi Tantagoni Savlochik Tawari, and so the Tawachimbo is on the social Katina Shataniji, Sonko Shuchendo. Tami Jambali on Teta Chipachi Yongoala, Samlon Damandachik Tani, Gums, Yapkali, Yakigums, everything, Machina, Lilapo Yon Mesonta, Tomer Mashizeati Goni Savlo Tambari. Tan draw me knowledge and a meet Homal, Yachamombo Chiso, Ama, Zeti Tawachimushi, Zigi or Sonta, Tangaso, Simchan Tamcha, Ama Imba Saulo Tangoni, Tombo Yamiche, Tantishke.
And so, what we're really trying to do is generate compassion for all sentient beings. And what this means is just as we typically really cherish our own self and really care about ourselves, we want to have that same feeling of cherishing and caring for all sentient beings. And so one of the ways we do this first is we try to see all sentient beings as our mothers, because this is one way to practice and really have a feeling of great compassion for all sentient beings.
So Amanda Wachigla, Tewanda Wachigle Gona Shuli Laboyan Sonda, Simcha Tamcha so Amayan Bachi Saulo Tangori. That till Yabjon Saulo Mepa, Resina Saulo Mepa Mari, Naso, Kiwanga Chikilin Chichella. And the non-Chusiatic Kiwanga Chikilin Bash, Kiwanga Chikil Chijil, Kiwala Thomas the Tawan Jato. Thomas the Tawan Yeni Zito may pick up the Yates on that. That's him Chisandachina, ni Pamali Kernon, ni Pugli Kernon, Renal, Tickups, ni Pamali Kericapsayon, Alpendoch Potanda Pamanoj, Chamse Joyori, Sabisablo Ticaliore.
And so when we think about how we can understand all sentients as being our mothers, right? If we assert or if we believe in past and future lives, then we understand that the mind stream, that this continuum of lives extends beginninglessly. And so if the continuum of lives extends beginninglessly, then any sentient being we can see could have been our mother at some point in time, so that we can understand that.
Penangasochi to Washinamich in Butching for Delion, which Natsoching Tom Butching for Sonsa, Tamugatome, Chichena Kiwanga Matata telling Malando, Amando Chini, and the Chamkishu John, Pento Shuche, who Tondro Kavling, Dukshu, you say, Rock, and the Kianga Chingamis. You know, that's what is a Nami Chejaro.
So, for example, we can think about like a small insect and say there's a small insect over there. Well, that insect in one of my past lives, one of my past lives could have been my mother or my father and could have been of great benefit to me. And when they died, I could have been very, very sad.
You know, that's a canton go, man. 22 chicks out of time, you only. I think check out the Catholic in Nayon, Nal Amanashing the Chaps, Pachiki on you, Samniti, Boni Samlochi down the Pajo Consumption and Ton, the social Sawachimundo, which is this Sawachimundo Chilena Tingonia, Chancy Yarki only live. They mean that there's Calicoboy. Pashoktal Shatsabondu Semen Leromachina, Tatan the Disablo Tondi, Chichina Kyongamandi Amais, Apais, which is then so Puya is a very raw, that it is the Washu, Tatan so Hako your married, Timbantuano, and so Pinoji Hadko your married, then the child is on the Leon, Tandayon, Chamse, so Nipaka, Chamse Chego with some.
And so, it's really important that we establish this basis at the very beginning, that when we see other sentient beings, that we have this kind of deep compassion and love for them, and that we can base this on this kind of reasoning by thinking that, all sentient beings may have been or were my mother in previous lives. And through that we develop this very strong love and compassion, this sense of affinity for them. If we don't do this, if we don't have this as a foundation, then the rest of this is difficult.
Kasakin Tichoach canal, Chicosoleson, Tiongapchangato Chengamina, Kiwachmichi, Localican Carche Resite, Tinitini Desites of Penangato Teson, Lepatrol and Reni, Temba Tama Jendo Nitinidoa, Lepatrol and Reni, Tama Mushi. Tam Michikas in Kurosani, Lepatrol and Metata and the Kurosani, Lepatrol and Reni, Tamba Tama Yamdro Dulana, Patti Ginning Carche was and Tigil, Patient Ota, Neo Junkedo, the Tamangi. Zinjani Tadi Chegre, Atanga Timba Tondore, Ishos and Aram Degreta, Pena Michil Tasani is on the Timba Tonic, Chengamare, Lama, Taki Tadi Chegre, Timba Mar, Chemba, Tangit Kankan Chengamar is this not Chemba Nyambi Jilla, I'll touch on changing meat on the so Tomangit and the Tadi Chegre. Cesare join. There's Calico Charles. Tangan China, Sanini, Jada is in Sanini, Chambanyam Rosary, and his own ticket, Trompos in a Pamas, Carriche at the Kong, Jane Samarilla. Tinga Aram Chini de Desario, Tangi Chaka Martin and Atikan in Chegres and Nitadimo, which is Chegre. Naro chet, Naro Jima, Jambator Tani, teacher, the Caligago.
Kong so Kiranga di Pinto Chegre.
Teon Tajajo, Tengini Pet, that check up. I can't Tejas. That's not a 3 so with David John Vigil. Tanda Amanaj, same Chakata Kati and didn't not give a Namani Chenori, some being same Changol Kali, Kalilu Jongo, in the Tegum Lagri, same Chakatan Tona, so you band as a Chenita, on the Amachenori, Amachi Kalangali, Apochenori, Tropoche Kalangali, Apoche, so Puli on Chenori, Tikali and Alistair, Tandangani, Janda Chayana, and Jimmy Toshan, and the Chayo. Teach all the Saulo Tanjim, Yapochino, which any Saulo Tangos, and the Jew lot of Kiri, but she sent a country in the Chintona, one in the Amachino, then the John, Resambing the Saulo, Nongi in the Chilena, Mashizia, delivery.
And so we can, sorry, there was something he was trying to explain that I just couldn't get. It's important that we practice this sort of slowly and over again and really sort of accustom our mind to this way of thinking. So you can really think that someone else you're looking at these other sentient beings, in past lives they've been my friend, maybe they've been my family, but maybe now you don't like them, or maybe now we say enemy in Tibetan. Maybe that's a little strong, right? To someone you don't like in this future life. But then in past lives you could have been friends or family, you could have been close to them. And so by doing this, you can develop a mind that sees all sentient beings with love and compassion kind of equally.
Sono tanti tendini amate cegnore, sambati ciona, ipa, tani centembazi atlevo. Ota ama cegnona, sendi amanage ngal gangi jangi katenchemboyens. Ta tenage ke koyonga ama ceon jebikable tenji katenchembo tende cegnore sami samlo teleondini ama centeang samlo nipa teleres.
And so the first step is this. And this is the first step in the 7-part cause instruction. And the first step is seeing all sentient beings as your mother. And once you have a solid sort of understanding, you have a solid feeling for this, then you can go on to the second step, which is remembering the kindness. So when you look at a sentient being and you think, oh, well, this being has been my mother or friend or someone very close and helped me in my past life, then you can think, oh, wow, well, they were of great benefit to me. you really understand that in a previous life they were of great benefit to you.
Tani tanda the lepala tani ngal katin chimbo chi samna tilpa chenlesendo paya ropa chi chendo ag saulo somebody chenchenzea chenzozea telegrezo.
And so then the third one is repaying the kindness. So you have seeing all sentient beings as your mother, remembering their kindness, and then the third one is repaying the kindness. So once you understand that this person has been kind to you in this previous life, so you have this desire to help them to repay the kindness of that person.
Otenji so le pento chembo imba amache nyoa pento chembo imba tania paya chenji seko undu sambi tenji samlo to pono chele ondi ani mi nari tenjo ina tin ton ondi kolol semble pas monchi ci gabon pena so le jour pakati na che deni meeting tona mi ten ton dinga sa sem gabon do na chindaw na so le gabo che deni ki ten ton so sem le ranging gabon chile ondo o tele ngore je bata tele yong chamba zeri yong chamba ni je chamba tandi yunje manga de yong chamba de panton on de sem le pas so le tawa chimo de ton yo o tele yong chamba la.
And so on the basis of these first three, when we look at, say, a dog or a person, what will arise naturally if we've done this properly is this person that is affectionate toward or just naturally likes any sentient being that you see. You have a sense of affection for them, that you see them as having been helpful to you in a previous life. And so this is the first one with the Yung Decempa that we translate as affectionate love or loving kindness, which is a love that has the aspect of seeing all sentient beings as beings beloved.
Tendrigo samlo to so nyenta pa so jong gore maga ma jong na tra li la ko yung mar na so na che yung ndo wa te yinchi menchi ke gom ze te at te le ze wo nda ma ro ndinga ama che nyo re chenchen bo che nyo re tendri san parum chini nyenta pa le te che se ke ko lo jong ze ti nyenta pa tendri samlo moni chowa ale tani samlo tang gore ma te ma le na ya re ma ta.
And so this is something that we have to practice every day. We really have to sort of go through these thinkings, what we call analytical meditation, and go through these steps every day. This isn't something that's just going to arise without actually doing the practice and the work. So it's really important that you're thinking like this, that you're doing this practice, that you're training your mind every day in these steps so that it will eventually naturally.
What tenji so amache nyoa ta kachen chembo yimba tenji so ton yon di so le sha ni chade so semla sha sabo ze goro sha sabo ro tenji chin ton yon di ani ti jile ni jele yung ni jele ke karzin ani ni je ya ko kangi ton yon di sema ma ke watra teni ko kati kangi che yon so ma chini ya kangi ti ya thar ta ni je tele
di ngapare. And so on the basis of seeing someone, a sentient being, and having this idea, this understanding, this firm understanding that they have been our mother in a previous life, then we have this desire. We see them affectionately. We see them as beloved to ourselves. And then on that, naturally, if we see them suffering, we will develop compassion for them. And so the next step in this process is the compassion on the basis of this seeing all sentient beings as beloved or affectionate.
Ani semchel ke semchat so ton di semchat so kangi yore bizina kangi jacha ja kangi message chiga yo mar tanda so ki njongi labran ko shewa korati no na to tamatsini te le tan yo mo gajawa me pas chiwa ta gawata chiwa ta navi ko ndi korajamni mbochi ke chakal ko ni do de woni tis kno nzo gro o teni do chi yamba ta semcha kati na kangi message chiga yo mar samde ani ko so ni je shik chemo shi ke ngore handelig turtabchi karchego samro samlo de.
And so all sentient beings in samsara, every single sentient being surrounding us is controlled by karma and affliction. So all sentient beings are controlled by the sufferings that we talked about in the previous classes. And so because all sentient beings are controlled by karma and afflictions, there is no place in samsara where there isn't a sentient being suffering. That we're all suffering. Every sentient being is suffering. And through seeing this, through understanding this, then we can generate a deep compassion.
Otani te ondi teni laksam zayata ti jil nge karto ni samro ni je shi chembo shi ke ondi tan da so kangi na londe jo pe kangi tartab che gos ta kangi tartab to mi jamba chigle chero che zia to mar ngaru chitu kan to chini ngi che ja go sami samlo chikle to na aksam zia ni je don le.
And so, on the basis of the meditating on this great compassion and understanding all sentient beings are suffering, comes the next step, which is this. It's not leaving this up to someone else, that you say that I will do something about their suffering. So that the next step, which is haksam, which can be translated as pure special attitude. There's not a fantastic English word to capture this, but it's really that sense of, based on this loving kindness and this compassion and seeing the suffering, you take the responsibility upon yourself to help all sentient beings.
Oti gyaptelatani chanchab go semdele ko ta nge semchang go tonche na nge semchang la khalach ni tonche atrewe pesha ni tonche atrewe leka chero ni tonche atrewe sena tetso rokpa chewa tare ta kamdi semchang go tonche de ate mares.
And so, what kind of benefit are we talking about for all sentient beings? Are we talking about giving them food? Are we talking about giving them money? Are we talking about giving them work? No, we're not talking about these kinds of benefits.
Karre zena naso ne ma ke unjang ka ni shepi semcha kangal kore kanginal hon royat dingar ka yonsat dingar ke le ta nyomo ke chege yores le ta nyomo me pa zo mathumna kangi ranjang ke chegi ke chini le ngore ngi ti paru ropa ka te china peng mares sonsa semchang ke le ta nyomo me pa thawlam che bondus Leta nyomo mepa thala chal leta nyomo mepa te yapo chima ko samba na sheshin ke yapo chi cha ko mus ti chawi chetla semchan thamchan ko atili ya dro wi chet susu tombo ko ali tani sanje kompond nge tombo to nda nyer ja ke yans pena teni do chi.
So what we are talking about here is this suffering in samsara, and the suffering in samsara is caused by karma and afflictions, and the kind of help, what we're really aspiring to is to being able to help people cut the cycle of karma and afflictions. In order to do that, we have to become someone who is able and knows how to cut the cycle of samsara that's based on karma and afflictions, and that person is what we call a Buddha. The Buddha is the one who is able and knows how to cut the cycle of karma and afflictions. For example,
pena nepa mombochi kyawana so ngel me ya pochi joni member ya pochi chani jini nepa so kya gore magunge nepa so hawle la zini ke kate kyonga nepa shata kate yona nepa kyokto mares te naj semcha gege nyomo mepa so la nyomo me pitap ta me pata tomba nyala so pa ya pochi teo shiwala so tombo chutamcha le mormombi tamcha kimba sangi kombo so to kondo sambo te samlo te leon te tije se piesa samba jando Jengi chet sangi kombo go sami samlo te tije se pile yongre.
So for example, if you have a bunch of people that are sick, what you need is the correct medicine, and you need doctors that know how to treat those people and make them ill. In the same way that we have these this karma and these afflictions that are creating our suffering, we need someone that knows how to treat that particular kind of illness. And so that the Buddha is the one who is able, that knows how to treat and to teach the problem of karma and afflictions. And so you want to aspire to that, and you want to make sure that you want to aspire to it for the sake of all sentient beings, for the sake of others. You aspire to become a Buddha.
Watini do chik sawlo tani ani ngoni toni ga tani semchang ga chetu sanji kompon chuwi sambi ga semdpa tembo shu chik le to sona tani sanji kompon semchang tamcha dinga li kyo pi chetni sanji kompon chuwi sam pe sem de non di katina ngaso kalendri choni yamma ko ni jok gonda chini sha le dia china ta so ge la tiche se ke warela ni zonte chancho se pa de ya chawar mit.
And so when you have when this thought arrives that for the sake of all sentient beings I will become a Buddha, and this thought is very strong and is arising constantly at all times, and this is something that you're constantly really being motivated by, and this is what we think of as bodhicitta, this constant aspiration to become a Buddha for the sake of all sentient beings.
What the rich regime? Not so good to do one nyomo gutawa danzat me pazotavchi machi and richi chenita kangali taria mena jen sewa kateona pengamari pena put amata so put so nani tapenkan on jenny bashata muni triche pangan shinro rich chair rayo mari then on je put so pamata so pete or return pamata so natana kangi non katelon jazz chimando that's on jigas in it so kanga yonki thomas Yomung Ling be one days. Teto Thomas were catching what is in what they song go it, not just our Rosetta Tishon in Joe. Not so Uchiku, so Pamato and Nadirona, shoe shatata, Pamal Niji shoe your own. Yenayata, Jazz Chimando, Jazz Common. Then Pamalia Pulis is so shoes Mutiamato, Jazz Chio. That is tactical money, Johnny Tate, and you can in our there, the late on your mom, but so some Jim Marab Jojo, Jevalatini, Jim Jim Corium Gores, so that's some Marab Nepazo and Tapshi Gores, and it's on you, so
and so the Buddha in this path is this way that we can think about. We have these afflictions, and the root of samsara is this self-grasping. And so through this path, we can cut the root of samsara. And this is the teachings of the Buddha. And so you think, for example, of a parent and their child, a mother or the father and the child. They have incredible love for that child, and they would give them money and food, but they don't have the ability to give this even though they have all of this incredible love, they don't have the ability to actually cut the root of samsara the way that the Buddha's teachings can.
What can you do? Chikangoni, Gendre Mangabu, Dengi Goni, Lord Jantan, they had any Joso Chetona Kali, Kali Savloton, Yamaril, Yagi Jote Gore, Jotoni, Chancho Kusem that you court the Kesha to go on the Soso Gilla, Chikto and the Chikat Tombot Legundu, Legiona till Chancho the same Gujuri in the opposite. And
so this is the what we call the 7-part cause and effect instructions, the 7 steps of generating the mind in enlightenment. And it's very good if we can go through this as much as you can every day, and or at least a little bit every day, and go through these thoughts. And then hopefully as you do this, hopefully some amount of feeling arises for you in these processes and these thoughts, and that is a very good sign if some feeling arises that you have this feeling for bodhicitta.
Inaya, Kari Pena constant choconab de Carlo non traditional, Cotombo Lochon in Bicable, Chancho the same as Chanja the Ama, and did Shunion to Zamaris. The Yapochitarian one in the Dichiona, the Yaposhu Sarita. I wanted so Jella the Keto Samaris and because the Dishu Chimboyo. Ani chima kali kya lo nisho samche kali kya kasi tersa kali kya na yon sali samba chima to that the yongo mare samba choni me acha sarse lo mombo lo nisho samche kechare ma to yuji gno le reachere to.
And so the Gonsa Choki so Gonsa Choki, His Holiness said, in his experience when he first started doing this kind of mind training, this meditation, he thought, oh my God, I'm never going to be able to do this. This is so hard. I'll never be able to generate this mind. But of course, over a lot of time, then he got better and better. And so this isn't something that we expect that we're going to be able to do in 1 or 2 days. This is something that we practice over decades to really make this mind firm and stable.
All also tenerji. Ta Gendre Manga deng saunlo tantan teri. Ta tili jamba saunlo tantan te. Jipa karaze. Daje nyamje ko ni saunlo tantan ze or tili wandong saunlo tantan yin zin napyo yo sa saunlo tantan yin ze. Teni ti she yindro. Ta daje nyamje saunlo tantan saunlo li lawo chi tan sha por. So kangin ro chi che kangin na ma ron de at so hakon de so kangin shu chi che de. Ta so ndoya ta kare Dekere, Mando at the Dingare, Ro, Diki, Chibot, Ndo at the Dekere, Mando at the Dungar. Some really sound on the some at the Chipachi Inger, Dinger Dog, Deki Mundokish, Pachi, your Maris, and Batoma, they sound not angry.
And so The other way of generating bodhicitta, we can say, is a practice called exchanging self and others. And in exchanging self and others is first based on really looking at one's own situation. Oh, I have this suffering. I want happiness. I don't want suffering. I have these afflictions and things. And really understanding that, that I want happiness and I don't want suffering. And so then we look at other sentient beings and we realize that they're exactly the same as us. They're suffering as well. They don't want suffering. They're searching for happiness. And so you see that all sentient beings are the same in this way, that we all want happiness and we all don't want suffering. And so if we practice this, seeing that all sentient beings, or that we're the same as all sentient beings, and that we all want happiness, and we all don't want suffering, and we all have these same basic motivations, then on the basis of that, directly we'll develop compassion. And then from that, so we don't have to, in this practice, you don't go through the previous steps of seeing all sentient beings and mother and kindness. You see all sentient beings as being equal in this way. And on that basis, you develop compassion, you develop this pure special attitude, and then bodhicitta.
And the Dajen Yamje, the Samno Jeboloan, Kosa Jes and a penna, Ukishi, that Simcha Jambakangi, Pena, Chindichi, combat the chain in Jodiana, Matsu Mandra, which is shoot, Nason Tondi, or Chechi combat in Joy or some. The need sound of the J on this sound. Casting actually in combat the chinning at an androna carche boris and so till it swallowed taki combat change with only top chair swallow not combat chinny to andro and carche boris. Did call Shataleon
and so this practice of exchanging self and others is really a practice of exchanging, we would think of sort of as our position, our mind, how we're seeing ourselves. And so, for example, if you see a person who doesn't have a leg, we see this a lot here in India, and if you think about that, then you really put yourself in their position, and you think, oh, well, that must be really hard for them, and then you think, oh, what would I do without a leg? How hard would that be for me? And you really put yourself in the position of that person, then you start to really have some feeling of the suffering.
What do you Saulunda Mandra Janita? So sim the Jambal Pintoya, Saulon will get Cathy took the Chiro, Jam. So some the launching the Samay, but Jamping Saulon will pack your Cathy to Chiatel, not you in Yamlins in it to Chancho Sanguina. So Samlo, Musi Lima Gonita, Shivachi Takinaj Mil Pento Marit. So Samlo, the Jampeg, Cathy just to Chichuala, Chancho Sanguina.
And so the key point here is really working with one's own thinking. It's really as much as you can through these different reasonings, really turning your mind, your thinking toward helping other sentient beings. This is what we think of as a practice of bodhicitta.
Ani ta dosho ni sauno tani yang tanji yore ta tanji tasi tani yore trawa chaliching. Tanga simcha tamcha pama chenyo demba res, dending koala kiwa tome pana dendi chenyo yo keres. Ina yang simcha tamcha ngi dayang chenyo yo keres. Simcha tamcha nga se manyo gechi tanga dupo ta manyo ni chi yo mares. Ni koso gechi te leka karche korezeni. Ti sauno tangi chi yores.
So there's also, we can think about sort of the opposite, or an objection, right? So we can say, okay, it's definitely certain that all sentient beings have been our mothers, but we can also say all sentient beings have been our enemies or hurt me in past and future lives.
Sonta tangi simchang che ton karche gore samite tena ti ngoni re simcha tamchang ni drama kya chi yo mare la simcha tamchang nga se manyo ge tangal dipo tamanyo ge chi yo mare ina ya ti shol samlo tana a control ngare simba ma ke pa che re kangi na longre ma to al khesa chi yo mare
So yes, it's also, but it is true that all sentient beings have probably hurt us, killed us, and done all of these horrible things to us. However, if we focus on that, if we think about that, what is the effect on us? So the effect on us is that it just creates anger, it creates problems. There's really no benefit to us in focusing on this and thinking that way.
Tili dote ma paimba maimba kwata chimbo imba tindi samna soso usem chamda ninje tan sewa la so pi lang sondi soso le kyo san chewa te te rakri yon yo mares.
If we do the opposite, right, all sentient beings, if we focus on, think about all sentient beings having been our father or our mother, then we develop compassion, we develop love, and then ourselves and all sentient beings would benefit from this.
Sonsa ta nga so dewan do la dingar mando khin sonsa jata tantri sawlo ta na dingar legre pama ta nyeng sawlo ta na dewa legre ta sawlo kan angwat so sawlo ta na ko gre sonsa jag shol sawlo ta yo mar nyeng shol sawlo ta na ke san chegre.
So we all want happiness and we don't want suffering, right? And so if we think about all sentient beings having been our enemies, this creates suffering. If we think about all sentient beings having been our mothers and our fathers, this creates happiness. So of course that it's much better to think about things that bring about happiness.
Tani do chigre ta parche sepke korta re songo tani ma chigche chingro koina. So that in our since I can so Sumba chapolo chingi loves. Sense of cake cancer on Sonara. That is sure look at chick much it gets no comendo. Tatini, all the same of cake cancer on Sona, Comba Mina Chanchaman of a little on the but Sumba chapolo chingi loves it. Kungatinola, Tanda show look at you to Chancho Kasim the John Tandri. And so Chancho Kasim the John Nita, morning is him chatam check to the Sanji Compo Jukian, some Samlo take Gola Jajana, Jackareves in it. It's our in Jacamares. Leka chiche gora amato pena nga dilelen jogi sam komba chia ma jamna tem mare sem tapani jogi sam komba choni ma jamna dilelen le yo mare sonta
So now we're moving on to the
tombo no takita atakita sevke de shesaro ta sevke de shesana sevke sa ke chopala lopore chopala malo ni de ayo mare ya ke chatin botswai
really some cute
tatini tes kan jaja tombo che tanda che.
Okay. And so we've generated this mind of bodhicitta, we've generated this aspiration, but if we don't actually, with desire to help all sentient beings, but if we don't actually do the work, if we don't, okay, I want to help all sentient beings, and now it's really important to actually do this, right? We have to actually then take action and work to help all sentient beings, and if we don't do that, then of course it's not okay. And so
Sem ke janze wor sem ke janze tinga so sem de ke to sona ya ani che kam che ni de o mar chatom na som na kali kya gore ze ni she wor ta chatom na som ze on indala man che za sem chatom che yit chatom ge wa chu de yit chatom mar ko ni che dom bi chatom ge wa chu de yit chatom sem chatom che yit chatom ya som ja ni saro ko onyo no ta re she jam na ro ta na chanchop ke sem ke tagaran ke chawa chi chanchop ke sem ke na ani de ayo re ni chawa ni de ayo ma sanje compound bi che te yanjo mon te ni ka kyo para lo gore kali ya gore sonta sem ke kya chatom nam sam na komba che gore chatom nam sam na komba che zina tombo chatom nyekyo dombi chatom ziyad kar re khasa nyekyo dombi niba ta kyun dombi kyun dombi chatom niba ta kyun dombi chatom zina kar re zina ngacho ngemal domba khasa kni domba ngoto che yamba domba kyote di mero no chansem ge domba ngati domba sotar ge domba tham oto so kar ji job de yo na te pe yapo shu chi song gore se ti ni kyo dombi chatom re.
And so now we're at the beginning of the next sloka where it says, even if I develop only bodhicitta, but I don't practice the three types of morality, I will not achieve enlightenment. And so that if I only develop bodhicitta, that was what we were talking about just a moment ago, that right, if you just generate this mind of enlightenment, but you don't actually begin the practices, then that's of no use to anyone. And so the beginning this practice in this here is practicing the 3 types of morality or the 3 types of ethics. And the first of those 3 types of ethics is what you talked about in the last class with the different types of vows.
Tani nikyo dobi tsato gewa chu de ki re gewa chu de ki tsato gewa chu de the gewa so gewa chum to ada so yang yo chum so li gib ka gewa yo at koni kon pende gewa ya gi shu ta gewa chu de ki tsato gore.
And so the second type of this is 3 types of morality, but maybe the 3 types of ethics. You could translate that either way. The second type of the 3 types of morality or the 3 types of ethics is the ethics of gathering virtue, we could say, gathering good acts, and so making effort to continue to create virtue.
Tani sonza tani ge tsatum oten tanda semja tonji gi tsro lazo semja tonje ge tsatum zena ta so tani ge gesta karu chi chewata semja tamcha qualitaru tiche ti samge ti samlo jaja chinin program so chi go maimba semja tamcha ge che samlo tanda semja tonje gi tsro chakare.
And the third type of ethics or morality is the morality that is for the benefit of all sentient beings. It works for the benefit of all sentient beings. So you're not doing this just for yourself, but you're really practicing for the sake of all sentient beings, all other sentient beings.
Laso tani lepan thoni gasi dombala soba choko lobar chingi labse sonza tani indi so tsatam to so yakpo soni college ma jabna tandi ka la parsam ga yongore tsatam gi la pa tangin gi la pa shirab ki la pa wotel ma shirab chicha o ma no na tangin zanda shirab la pa yongore counter la parsam le lob gore si la parsam le mahlam na sangi chunin ro yo maris lepan mon baba tamai somba chok lob gore si.
And so now the next 2 lines we've just did. If I develop only bodhicitta, but I don't practice the 3 types of morality, I will not achieve enlightenment. With my clear recognition of this, please bless me to practice the bodhisattva vows with a great energy. And so, in this, we're thinking now about the 3 practices: the practices of meditation or concentration, the Okay, and so the 3 higher trainings, I think is how that's normally translated, is the practices of ethical discipline is the first one, which is what we just talked about. In the following slokas, the following verses, we'll see the practices of concentration and wisdom come up as well. But what we're talking about right now is this first of the 3 types of the 3 higher trainings, which is the practice in ethical discipline. And without that, of course, without these 3 higher trainings, there's no way to achieve enlightenment.
Tatini Geshe Dombala Somba Chabulo Pacha, Geshe Dombas in a Chancho Sepi Dombari, Tachancho Sepi Sars Nibata Chancho Sepi Domba Jobo. Oh, Chancho Sepi Domba. Oh, Chancho Sepi Domba Majona, Jipinjik Semzat, Romoto, Chancho Sayaki Romotos, Nibata Chancho Sepi Domba Jobori, Chancho Sepi Domba Jomni, Kali Jalian, Zewate, on Lama Jingi Lab Shaws,
and so without taking the actual bodhisattva vows, without taking the vows and then practicing the vows with great energy, there's no way to become a Buddha. So this is why here it says, and practice the bodhisattva vows with great energy. So we're asking for the blessing from the Lama to be able to take these vows and to practice them with great energy, and through this achieve Buddha.
Tani Chancho Sepi Domba Tele Saiton Job Gezia. Nipchi Richijetu is a chick Changa Shiroke Saiton at the Saton the Jobye, Nipchi Richijetu Yongo, Shetu, 46. No, then did you are Kuson Chandra.
And so in the Bodhisattva vows, there's 18 root precepts and 46 secondary precepts.
Ani tekor ngoni ma chingni chinglo de ja ta tombo de dato jamo zeat chancho sepi domba de sonza dala to pata jala maraje te tsawani ni mo dato jamo toma sita so ya poshu yimba pasho le chaso chi pasho de pores ne so ya bondo ta pasho ding dondo te tsawani che chokma ta tombo de dato jamo.
So the first of the Bodhisattva vows is that you shouldn't place yourself higher. You shouldn't sort of talk yourself up and denigrate other people or insult other people. So you shouldn't put yourself above other people.
아니 다 주노 머테와제 때 주도 노르제 다 소소 테니 존테 추닌도 케나 추셰고레 다 게노 펜토 고사요나 게노 체고레 소소 니바 요나제나 파쇼 셈체 루타와니니 탄쇼쿠마 셈체 카르 고제나 소소 니바 메나 메레 망 니바 요치체 니바 티죽토 고레 페나 네바치르 네오지고나 난 네오지기 차케도 네주고 지그 추시에 쇼제나 지콜 추시에 쇼제나 소소르 시에요나 시고레마 네 시에가메스 난 네오지고 네 칼라 소소르 시에요나 고초코토 칼라테 쇼제나 테고레마토 네 시에메가 로자고 가로냐고 티타와니니 초코마 차초 세피도 많이 받을 사데요 주노 마테와제 니파트
And so the second of the Bodhisattva vows is that you should always teach the Dharma when it is of benefit to others. You shouldn't withhold the Dharma. Like, for example, if someone is sick, you should give them medicine, or if they're food, you give them food. So it's important that if the Dharma is beneficial, so you should give them to it.
Somebody Dr. Jarmo Junum Tejans Shakyamanyan Zeti Tere Ta Naso Mijambal Nutrilation Pasho Ponda Tidelati Tange Tanda Choni Jiga Yoma Mendo Che Yomars Mi Gonda Tidejet on Jason Yasons and Chamboche to Achegore Mungatanda
And so the second one is we can say is not forgiving other people. So for example, if somebody did something to you and they come and they apologize, if you say no, it's not okay, then that is not okay. That you should say, okay, thank you for apologizing and forgive them. So when somebody comes and asks for forgiveness, you should apologize. You should accept that.
Ani tiche pomba zede at chancha sepi domba non peni pachimbo segre karre zeti te pachimbo chut namba chumare zeni mombo chon isa teshu chon de go sa tesan la yo isa ro non chumare zeni te to so non chu yembala tichen gu chu pena shichin do ze ala ta so ta nambi chu ni mare na ze at nambi chu mare de mombo so te lamna and the tiche pomba za ton non ja.
And so the third one is not doubting that the Mahayana teachings, the teachings of the Great Veil, or the Tantric teachings are part of the Buddha's teachings. So of course there are a lot of people in this world that hold that the Great Veil teachings are not part of his Buddha teaching, that the Tantric teachings are not part of the Buddha's teaching. So the fourth one is not doubting that.
Ni concho paziade concho paziti concho sangi da chuda genda ta so ze ya pela ta ko chapa jani ma choni yoma te ni pa chembo tsegi yo testigre.
And so the fifth one is that it's never okay to take offerings that were intended for the three jewels. So stealing the offerings to the three jewels is the fifth one.
Ani chupon ta peti non chu Ganga Tepasum Gudeno Ganga, that's what you married, that's when Yami Chacho, that's what's in Kasuchi Chayoro, teaching Naritime, Yantu Ranger, teaching Karina, Tepasum Guchula, Kandip Chini, Tati Choyo, Tati Konyamli China Choyo, that's what you know, be Santi Pinyamli to Maris in Pachi Chayora, or te chupons in Nabi chupons out to Gesta Shun Jom, but in Riashendo, so that Gesta you do the Chola Tangres.
And so the sixth one we can say is abandoning the doctrine, and what this means really is abandoning the doctrine by through sort of sectarianism or partisanship. So we have the Pali teachings, we have the Great Vehicle teachings, we have the Tantra teachings, and through sort of seeing one as better than the others, you abandon other teachings. So that's not okay.
Ni ngarmun chokzea the rapchong zev chawati saro. Tindik sarero.
And the seventh one is causing an ordained person to disrobe.
Aching at so Tinichi in Jean Ketan is that on church get the motrice on the 3 Jean Jarek. Signing Jimaton church get the motor Nichi to Saman Roseo Martanaso, it's that on church get the motor Chichia carry Zeti, Josetia. Consam Choco, Sonchuno, Chosomo Junior, Consam Choco Chances with Doma Momo, and Kelly, so Saton church get the
So we're going to stop here for the day. We probably won't go through all of the secondary downfalls, but we'll maybe finish the 18 root downfalls. I'll also later I'll put a link to something. But he thought it would be I thought it would be beneficial because His Holiness often gives these Bodhisattva vows, right? But we don't often know what actually that we're taking the vows to do. So it would be beneficial to know really what are these root vows that it's.
Last thing, Jimat so Jimama Drojuja, 3 Nivjani, Chortly, on a test.
Anyone questions? Anyone have any questions? David?
What was the first one?
I'll post it later. Praising oneself and belittling others. I'll put something in the building too later.
Details. Sopan Chikartona Yasari. Tosari.
Good.
It's a touch of Yanji when you get and Chikartona Yapos. No.
The Yogishi Tashi Serendipity.
Gela, Distele.
Oh, yeah, I think you had a question first, though.
Gela, Distele.
Who's this?
Hello.
Who is speaking?
Link.
Sawan.
Oh, Anila.
No.
Not you. I have a question.
Okay, what is your question, Anila?
Yes, because Geshe said about the that Buddha actually is in order to benefit all sentient beings, right? So you commit yourself, you aspire to become a Buddha just for the benefit of all sentient beings, isn't it? And then you have all of these vows, and also you take the Bodhisattva's vow, and then you attend all of your physical and verbal actions in order to transform your mind and so forth, right? In order to achieve Buddhahood. And then my question is, Sangi giting le dwa, Sangi yani kusung tu giting le tum dwa. Semche tamche che du dwa. Ani semche tamche gi gula, Sangi giting le yo atal. Ani yeshe giting le yo atal, sra. Ani yangna, ani kirsi semchen kare sange gi tinel tandem pe kansa des nie parto nampa go mogos o dinge tiva tires per na chirolpa dela tinle ani sange tinle tonda yores yo mare so dinge tonda.
Would you state that simply in English real quick? Well, it's the enlightened activities of the Buddhas. Are these the cause for the Buddha's enlightenment? Is that
yes, my question was if since the Buddha, you aspire to become a Buddha in order to benefit others. And so the enlightened activities of Buddha, of body, speech, and mind, they are supposed to be beneficial for all sentient beings. And so my question was, so does exist this enlightened activity of Buddha in the continuum of all sentient beings? When the Buddha benefit all sentient beings, do they have in their continuum this deed of Buddha? Mainly the Geshe Lharampa, the pristine wisdom, enlightened activity of the Buddha. That's my question. And then if the Buddha can just benefit a Buddhist or can benefit all sentient beings, how is that?
Last, there is one. Tanda Sanji Tanachi Jachina Sanji in the same time challenging the or a counter partial Yuki Yama the Namkani Makati Shasha one is such a young Konyami Mapones, such a Kuru with Jole Mato Yamali Chunjayaman. Then now just Sanji in the same time challenging was on that number in that mind by a good girl, Namka against that Thomas Sanji in Chile using national Tarashiore. At it, Yunton. Geshe Lharampa gonna take Kaporani, so but you're gonna Kapore.
Oh, dear. Very gonna patagarare.
So, Annie, if I misunderstand the question, the answer, you can correct me. But what I understand is this question is: does the enlightened activity as the Buddhas is it actually benefiting all sentient beings or just Buddhas? And the answer that I understood here is that the enlightened activity of the Buddha is like the sun, and it shines on all sentient beings equally, regardless of whether they are Buddhas or not Buddhas.
Yes. And so Geshe said, yes, of course, Buddha's activities benefit all sentient beings because it is in order to benefit all sentient beings. But my debate, even tonight, my debate here is, well, if it's in order to benefit all sentient beings, and so these enlightened activities, they have to exist in the continuum of all sentient beings, because the enlightened activity or any activity of Buddha is with body, speech, and mind. And wherever there is a body activity of Buddha, there is also a verbal activity of Buddha and also a mental activity of Buddha, right? It has these three activities together. So the mental activity of the Buddha, when he's helping someone, immediately exists in the continuum of the person being helped. And so if that person is being helped by a Buddha, and so does that person give rise to this pristine enlightened activity of the Buddha in one's continuum? That's the first question. And see, I'm not clear, I'm going to ask him. And second, in order to Buddha to benefit all sentient beings, let's say to take one non-Buddhist, let's say, because the debate is like that. And so how does Buddha benefit the non-Buddhist? I mean, the person who doesn't have faith in the three jewels. And because before for me was obvious that yes, it's obvious, right? Like the Buddha manifests like that. But then in order to manifest, let's say that you take one very big prophet from any other religion or any person who is not Buddhist, and can I consider this the emanation of a Buddha or a Bodhisattva trying to benefit all sentient beings? I'm going to translate, no worries. So it's like that. If it's like that, and so any non-Buddhist become a Buddhist. So that's the debate. Perna ane dua kelsi sangue simche tamche chendura simche tamche gidondo sangue duas sangue gi leka senami duani tingle tagaranche gi duas perna yamena ngagi tingle yamena zu keres kui tingle yangna tungi tingle tugi tingle dua ani pena sangue ani simche tamche ni ropa chendura pentru chedus yamena ani chugi chulku pyunen tagaram korangi chugi tulku ani ropa chegi bas ina pena ni sangue nampa maimpa gi kansa pena mi nampa maimpa gi mi dawo nampa sharna nampa chulna ani komone nampa maimpa rang rebes pena ni pena en ishu ina daya mena chulu nampa maimpa nanchu maimpa chuluk shemba gi kansa suina ani chito deye yongi chito samani ropache ko chanju sempare bes yamena ko sange gi trupare bes kelsi ina ko nampa chado gres ina yang kelsi ishu dawo ina kache dawo ina kare ina ani tambunga so ko chanju sempa inshare samna ina yang ko chirtanchina ni choluk shemba gi ton parares yamena ani tempa tengyores ina yang ko gyola chamdro yores kaisana ko sangi gi trupa yamena janju sempares ine anko ani choluk shemba la tengyores yamena shemba tsamani pengyores di yore yomari kandre du mindus ani sangi gi tingle semchengi kyula yer tangme
terwa sanje tindi choko chalkazena ta chirpa ta so cheni chulu jamba ulama ta tindi namjerteni pewe yore terrewe
re
te yore te ta tende yo sare tindi yo na ko chancho sepa ye lagore yena ya koro nekap se chegin rotong jet namjin daman rateni yungore pe na so na kanal den chok ya chindo den chok ta wanshi ta chupa ris cheni pewe yore ze gore ni chota lana ze ya te yo Gerezireta total analysis payore se tindi mombo yore koso tama hindus chuli kuzon ro chichini payore tindi yore ze wore ina te chancho se pata namba yinze
de ina ni choluk shemba ki tompa ina ja choluk shemba ki Ani shimpin shukshimpogi ani chawa chinkin. Ina kunso sama nampa chadugire. Kunso
Ale di
choluk
lo
mi
mat
chawa
so
kire
yo.
ina kunso nampa chagire.
Lo mat so zembe.
Mare de
Mama
tempa po.
temba bukro number ya pena kiriz kichbai na kiriz genre la sanje shakyat bichbai na sanje shakyat barange. Ina ku lo mat so khat number chapto ke marta ina yo. Ko tel tel po pento kala concept jo woch.
Yeah.
Okay, do you want to translate that answer? Because I didn't quite get it. I don't understand.
Geshe said that, well, yes, in order to if it's an emanation of a Buddha or any of the aspects of a Buddha, for example, the emanation of the Buddha, Chirasic Buddha or Chirasic Avalokiteshvara, or the aspect of compassion of all Buddhas, right? So when the Avalokiteshvara Buddha manifests as one person very kind and very compassionate in that society, helping so much others and so forth. Yes, this is an emanation of a Buddha, of compassion Buddha. And even though if that person manifests as having either religion or prophetizing any other religion and so forth, but if it's a manifestation of a Buddha of compassion, so of course that person in its continue is Buddhist and also is manifestation of a certain aspect of Buddha. And then I asked, well, so if it's like that, and so any of these great beings who help the society and so forth are all or bodhisattvas or emanations of Buddhas. And so they become Buddhists, and they are not from other religions. Then they say, well, if it's a manifestation of Buddha, of course, is Buddhist. But doesn't mean that its followers or its listeners, its students and so forth, need to be Buddhists.
Great. Okay. we had another question here in class, so hang on. Can we get him?
Sure, sorry.
Yeah, that's a good. Yeah. Sorry. What was your question?
So one of the Bodhisattva vows is
I just sent him in the group, by the way.
causing an ordained person to disrobe.
Yes.
I'm wondering, does that ever happen, and in what ways does that happen?
So the tumba, the rakshungati tumba, the gangi kumong, the mishingi kumong, the kumongi, the kungi tumba pool.
Tumba pulya.
Tumba the kappa, the tumba torwa.
Manya ku tumba ndaro. Tumba tiyo.
Tumba tere.
Tumba ta kaya tiyo. Rabto chonga tsirum da martamba da tumba ina le ta zimbe. Te ki ngamu chopa.
The kungi tiwa the nyong yurebes, the samsam yongi yurebes, the kanjish yongi.
Ta chi rab chonga chala so chonye tinji yojirawa. Champa ni ko so tupso ta zoyan ro da donyan ro da. No pa rab chonga zoya, rab chonga chala choyan ro tinji chi. Chala choya. Tinji na chancho sepa ti sa chancho sepa ti da ro che ki mo ro.
Yeah, for example, like I think he was thinking of in China where they beat people and killed people and literally forced them, tortured them to force them to get back their vows. That happened quite a lot in China. In Tibet.
What did you say, sir? That pachi on you marrying us all that. Travel so zo, chala so cho, zongan on my chute in the chair.
Maybe so much not right now. People like stealing things of monastics.
That's any richer, so you're absolutely.
Anybody else?
Oh.
I have a question. In Lamrim teaching, Master Tsongkhapa mentioned about the two ways of generating bodhicitta. 7 stages of cause and effect, and exchange self and others. And Tsongkhapa mentions for people with better capacity can practice exchange self and others. People with small capacity practice the others. Why is that? Because I feel it's easier to practice exchange, self others.
So the Lamrim Kinang so the Tering Geshe Lharampa give Jana doing them that she did. The Tateni Nangne, the Mijiki Logic and the Bayana, the Bayric Bachango Yana, the Dakshin Jepa.
You don't Jepa, yeah, can you share it?
Encouraging the hurting keeper.
Ko Tachi ko semchen tamchangal garden chimache that the Mombo Jixalo Matani. Takong imagine your knowledge, the Jisalo Matani. Kangi Manduringa, Kangi Mandurin, Pondoranga, Atuniam the Chase of some Salo to Chembo in a daily level.
Because with exchanging self and others, you don't have to go through this process of generating these minds, right? You really can just go straight to it. Like, oh, I want happiness. I don't want suffering. They don't want happiness. They don't want suffering. You just generate compassion more directly. So you don't have to go through this sort of preparatory process. So that's why they say that that's the difference. And what was the second part of your question?
Yeah, because I think for 7 stages of in fact, the first stage you have to recognize all sentient beings is your mother. Might be your mother in your previous life, right? I think for the first point of view is I can understand the concept from reasoning, but I think it's difficult.
Remember it's difficult for us now because that was a common belief at that time. But I'll translate it. Kungi chashana the kungi the inlaktun samatanga the kungi marshe galikapo yuris marshe hakoya kungi the toro and the galikapo yuris. The inlak the dakche the Jiate the lawa yuris.
Tit pache tenditore. Mashi zayat ngoni kali Johnny Swatli Kijin Lawachi Samara. So that's a Jivatangoni. Pasha Semchakan Nachin Tona, Naya Kang Tenditona Karachi or something like that. So I should
So I mean it can be hard, this idea of also being as a better mother, something that we have to develop, over time. And so it can be easier to just really say, oh, other people suffer like I suffer, and then you generate a feeling it's true that it can be easy.
Yeah, then why talk about masters that it's
The yana karjine tsongkapa the mi rikpa jangbo mena the yinak the
Tate Chotan Rikpa Chombo Tayamazia the Shake do Mato, Jirmochita Musi Somandu, Mitso Shake do Pachites and Jayom. That's Ripan Yermonticina Tingoris out of Tajana. Jetching Lembanda Wachina Kor Kali Mashi to take when it's out of the Yamando.
So I mean, it's not sure that maybe it's just because that if you are not smart, you have to sort of develop this thing gradually with these 3 stages, and come to it that way. Okay, bye everybody.
See you next.
Demo. Andrew.
We remembered to record this time.